Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to install meme in a bottle mod. Basically it's a bunch of memes and stuff. Uh, yeah, it's just a joke mod for 1.8.9. So you want to find 1.8.9, which is here. You press download from server 1. Just press download. If it doesn't work, just press it again and it should work. By the way, keep in mind guys that I'll leave the links in the description so you don't have to look for it and stuff. So yeah, for Forge the same. So just press keep because it's not really dangerous. I hope so at least. And go to Forge. 1.8.9 download the recommended one because that's the best one to do. Just press Windows installer. You have to wait for the skip here. Just wait for it. Press skip. And you get Forge here. You can now close these things so they don't lag your computer. You can minimize this and put that here and that here, and you can close this. By the way, it might not show one here. It's because I already downloaded it in the past, so that's why it shows here. But don't worry about it, it's nothing. So yeah, now you wanna double click on Forge. Just press OK. You don't have to do anything else. Press OK. Now go percent data percent .minecraft. It should be here. If it's not here, it's gonna be at the end here. You wanna go into it, find the mods folder. If there isn't a mods folder, just do new folder. Just right click here, new folder, and name it all lower letters mods. Now it should be empty. If it isn't empty and has other mods, my advice will be to take them out for now and put the meme in a bottle mod, because they might crash if you play multiple mods. Might happen. So anyway, just drag this here. You can drag, you can copy, you can cut, you can do anything, but just drag. I'm just gonna drag it. So yeah, now you can close this and you can start Minecraft. Now you'll see 1.8.9 here. If it is not here, then just scroll through the versions here and just find it and press play. And now our meme in a bottle should be loading. You can see Minecraft is trying to launch the game for us, and it did launch it. Meme in a bottle. Here we go. I'll delete this other world I had here. Create new world, creative, and let's see if it works. Let's see if the memes do work. Meme in a bottle. That's a good word. So it does work. So that's it. Thanks for the video. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.